SIP Secrets. Unlock your investing potential. Ever wondered how small, consistent investments can turn into a fortune? Let's dive into the world of systematic investment plans, SIPs, and uncover their magic. A SIP is like a savings account for investments. Instead of a lump sum, you invest a fixed amount regularly, like monthly. Think of it as building wealth brick by brick. It's a disciplined approach to investing in mutual funds. You choose a fund and set up automatic payments. This removes the guesswork and emotional decisions. SIPs leverage rupee cost averaging. When markets are down, you buy more units. When markets are up, you buy fewer units. This averages out your purchase price over time. It reduces the risk of investing a large sum at the wrong time. It's like getting a discount on your investments. Time is your greatest asset in investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compounding works wonders over the long term. Even small amounts invested early can make a huge difference. Don't wait until you have a lot of money. Start with what you can afford now. Consider your risk tolerance and financial goals. Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? Different funds have different risk profiles. Research different mutual funds and their past performance. Look at expense ratios and fund manager experience. Choose a fund that aligns with your needs. Opening a SIP is easy and convenient. You can do it online through a brokerage account or directly with a mutual fund company. The process is usually straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information and choose your investment amount. Set up automatic payments and you're good to go. It's that simple. Don't stop your SIP when the market dips. This is when rupee cost averaging works best. Stay consistent with your investments. Avoid chasing high returns. Focus on long-term growth and diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. SIPs are a powerful tool for building wealth over time. They offer a disciplined and convenient way to invest in the stock market. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your investments grow. Ready to take control of your financial future? Don't wait. Your future self will thank you.